In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset MacroFactor. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this, and I'm going to show you both. The first one is actually deleting your account and starting over entirely. However, this is usually not the best approach in most cases, although it is a possibility. So if you're sure you want to do that, delete your account and start over completely, you can go ahead and hit the More button at the bottom right, so tap on that, and from here, you want to scroll down until you find Account and Data Deletion over here, okay? So you simply want to tap on that, and from here up top you have bulk delete, and you can toggle this switch over here, and it's going to say delete your MacroFactor account and all associated data, and you can go ahead and hit the button at the bottom. However, just know that these actions are irreversible, and they will delete all data associated with your account and also log you out, okay? Now your subscription will remain in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, so you can then basically log back in, create a new account, and associate it with your subscription. So, of course, again, this is not the most convenient way of doing this, so we could go ahead and also use this granular delete. So over here in the top right, if you tap on that, you could go ahead and kind of manage specific data entries, and this will give you precise control over the data that you would like to delete. So if you want to, you can use this as well. However, there's also one more method which I do think is more convenient if you simply want to reset and start over. So let's get back out here, and what you actually can do is basically reset expenditure start date. So again, go to the More tab, bottom right, tap on that. And then here, look for expenditure. So if you scroll down from the up top, you can find expenditure here under feature settings. So basically just tap on expenditure over here. There we go. It's going to take you in here. And as you can see, you have the calculation start date. So it's going to be the second one over here. Just tap on edit. And what you should do over here is basically edit this setting to the most recent date. So for me, it's going to be April the 2nd, 2026 over here. Then you can just tap on the save date at the bottom, and that's going to do the trick for you, okay? Now, this means that the calculation will start over fresh from the date, ignoring all other data, okay? This basically is the same as deleting all your old data or deleting your account. However, of course, it means you keep all your settings, custom food entries, recipes, and so on, because if you deleted your account, then those are going to be gone as well, okay? So that's essentially the second way you can do it, and from this point, it will take the app like 2 to 3 weeks of data gathering before your expenditure calculations will be personalized and refined, and yeah, that's essentially how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.